What's up guys, welcome back to Smart Money TV. In today's video I want to show you how to participate in this DOP testnet. Alright, the link to access this page is available in the description of this video. Kindly click on it and it will direct you to this page. Okay, you will agree with the terms and conditions and you will put in your email address. Okay, so you will click on let test begin. So guys, here you will need to create a wallet, and if you already have a wallet you can import your wallet. All right, so you click on create wallet and you set up a password. When you are done you will click on submit. So guys, make sure you back up your recovery phrase and click on verify. So you will receive a congratulation message that your recovery phrase has been backed up successfully. Okay, so you will click on continue. Here you will need to set up a password for your wallet and you will click on unlock. Enter the password you have set up for your wallet, okay, and click on unlock. So here you click on start to get started. So you will connect your account with Metamask. So guys, you connect your wallet and you will switch to Sepolia network. So guys, once you have connected your wallet, make sure you use the wallet you created. Make sure you connect this DOP testnet to the wallet address you created at the initial stage. Okay, you can see that the wallet has been registered here. So make sure you is also the same wallet you connect. You can see it ends with mine ends with DF. Okay, so there are some tasks you will need to do, which is from step 1 up to step of 10. Now the first thing you will need to do is to connect your X account, which is Twitter account. So you click on sign in with X. It will pop up your Twitter account and you will authorize your Twitter account. All right, so you click on authorize app. So it has been authorized successfully. So you follow DOP on X. So you come back to click on I have followed on X and you click on done. So you can see that it's showing green. So guys, the next thing to do is to proceed to step 2. So the step 2, you need to claim Sepolia ETH. Okay, so the link to the Sepolia will be available in the description. So make sure you click on the link and log into your account. If you don't have account, you need to sign up. So you will paste your wallet address, you will accept, you click on this captcha and you click on send me ETH. Okay, so ETH will be sent to your wallet. You can see the transaction hash. Now you can now go back to this Sepolia, to this DOP test and click on claim. So guys, when you click on claim, it will show completed. Now you can proceed to the next phase, which is the third step. Okay, so you also click on claim. Okay, so you can see that this step 3 has been completed. Now the next thing is step 4. You also click on claim and you will approve the transaction. So guys, the next thing is to click on this get started. That is step 5 rather. So you need to encrypt your assets. So you click on get started and here you select DOP USDT. Okay, then you select amount. You can just type maybe 100 or 10 or any amount. Then you click on encrypt. You can see you have balance of 10,000 here. So just type below 10,000 and click on encrypt. Okay, and you confirm the transaction. So you click on next and you click on approve. You can see that it has been successful. Okay, so you can just close this one and you click on OK. Okay, so the next step is step 6. Click on get started and you will select, this is the scripted asset. So you can select this one. Make sure you select your wallet at the top, that is the top account. Make sure you are on your wallet. Okay, then here you type 10 and you click on send. So you confirm the transaction. So you can see that it has been successful. Now you close this one again and you click on OK. So the next step is step 7 rather. So you need to decrypt the asset you encrypt. Okay, so you click on get started. Your wallet is already here. You will click on this particular one. So amount, how much do you want to decrypt? You can decrypt 20 or 30. Okay, here you will need to put your wallet password. Okay, and you will click on decrypt. So here you will confirm the transaction in your wallet. So you can see that it has been successful. So you close it again. Now we are in the last phase. We are almost there. So here we have a link. you'll be given a referral link. So make sure you refer at least 3 of your friends. You have completed all your tasks and you will be eligible to claim your reward once 3 of your friends will join with your unique link. So you just need to refer 3 people with your link. Okay, so in order to say thank you to me, make sure you use this link to register. Okay, the link will also be available in the description. So you click on done, you copy it and click on done. That is all for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. Now you can see that this is your invite and earn link. You can also copy it here, and here this task is not completed until you have at least 3 of your friends register successfully. So once they are done, this one will be showing 100%. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in my next video.